Morning reception. I hope you had a lovely weekend. We're back for some more home learning this week, but on Thursday we'll be back in school together. So today we're going to learn a new sound, just like we did last week. But before we do that, can you remember the sound that we learnt on Friday? That's right, it was R. It's review time. They're not new. For you. Say the sound as they appear on screen. Are you ready? A, I, O, T, D, S, K, P, M, R, B, Sh. Special friends. E, I, N, G, L, O, F, K. Super job. Fred talk. Fred can only talk in sounds. Remember, Fred talk, then say the word. Are you ready? O, T, K, O, T. Have you got the word? K, O, T. Cot. F, O, N. F, O, N. F, O, N. Fun. Super job. Now, as we're not using our magnetic letters, I'd like you to Fred talk and read the word. Are you ready? Fred talk. B, E, D. Read the word. Bed. Fred talk. Read the word. Fred talk. Read the word. Fred talk. L, O, G. Read the word. Log. Fred talk. Read the word. Fred talk. Read the word. Well done. Today we're going to learn a new sound. Our sound is J, J, J. You can see a picture on the screen. Does anybody know what that is? That's right, it's Jack in the Box. We're going to say J, 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 Jack in the Box. Super job. I'd like you to watch the video for J and then have a go at writing J on your worksheet in your pack. You're going to go down his body, curl and dot. Down his body, curl and dot. As always, send us your pictures and videos on Class Dojo. It's been brilliant to see you. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Bye.